Talking about an accident while bike riding today in this edition of The Law and You. Back with us, attorneys Greg Felleman and Ed Saramboli, and I'm proud to say they properly parked their bikes upon arriving at the station
We did
today.
Properly park our bikes today.
Absolutely.
Yeah, no doubt.
Guys?
Is it going to hit 100 this week?
Not this week. We have to wait a little bit later in summer.
My God.
Finally, the heat everybody's been waiting for.
Oh, it's
Not
hot.
me.
I like it.
It's going back to Montana.
Yes.
All right, here's our question today, and this involves a little bike accident from James in Exeter. I was involved in an accident while riding my bicycle. I was riding with traffic and was pushed into a parked car. The driver never stopped, and there were no witnesses. What can I do? I guess the issue here really to start would be, how does he track this guy down?
Well, you're probably not going to be able to track the guy down. I mean, if the guy pushed you into a car and then took off, really the recourse that you're going to have here is actually with your own automobile insurance company. So what you want to do is this is an uninsured motorist collision. It means that there's a phantom vehicle which caused an injury. Even though you were on a bike, you weren't in a car, your automobile insurance is still going to apply here, and hopefully you have uninsured motorist coverage on your policy, as we always tell people to have it. And if you do, you should be able to go to your own insurance company and make a recovery.
Yeah, and the good thing, that I took from the question, Ed answered all the legal issues, but from a biking safety standpoint, is you were riding with traffic, and that's the right thing to do in these situations. And obviously, bikers and a helmet. But the thing too is, bikers have the right to use the road just like cars do. So in this situation, the car probably violated the rules by not giving you enough distance. The state law is 4 feet. You have to give a biker when passing them. So unfortunately, he didn't follow the rules. But there are a ton of rules for bikers. Bikers need to know them. So do the people operating motor vehicles. And remember, bikes have a right to be on the road.
See, I didn't know you can actually use your car insurance to help out in this type of accident with a bicycle.
Greg's an avid cyclist too.
He would know.
You should see the outfits.
We'll just not imagine that one. All right, so for our viewers who do need legal advice when it comes to accidents, how could they hold?
They could call me, 570-714-HURT. See us on the web at 714hurt.com.
Don't forget about the hotline. Greg will be answering the
Friday.
hotline all weekend long in his cycling outfit. Or you could go on Facebook, and if you have a question, put it on. We'll do our best to answer it on an upcoming segment.
Results matter with cyclist Greg Felleman, attorneys Ed Saramboli as well. Guys, thank you so much. See you
Thanks,
next time.
Dave.
Don't forget, PAHomepage.com or the Law and You hotline are two ways to get a question here on the show.